Welcome to 90 and Out. This is History of the Christian Church and part 2. Nothing takes place in a vacuum of time nor space. Constantine changes everything. Nothing happens in a vacuum of time nor space. In 301 AD, Armenia adopted Christianity as its official state religion by its ruling king. Armenia is the first country to do so, but it won't be the last, nor is it alone in a shift in the geopolitical landscape of the 4th century AD. Armenia converts to Christianity after Gregory the Illuminator successfully converts the reigning King Trdat. As the story goes, King Trdat was intrigued by Gregory and listened to his apologetics about Christ. Coming from Zoroastrianism, the spiritual realm was not alien to King Trdat. As the story goes, King Trdat was intrigued by Gregory and listened to his apologetics about Christ coming from Zoroastrianism. The spiritual realm was not alien to King Trdat. Once converted, the transition from Zoroastrianism to Christianity would take some time, however. Only in the 5th century was the transition complete, long after Tradat's death. Yet we see this throughout history, where some plant seeds and do not see the full fruit of those seeds. Those who come after water and cultivate, and still others harvest with great reward. The seeds of Gregory and Trdat are still seen today. But you may ask, what about the vacuum of time and space? While Armenia was quasi-independent of Rome, Constantine was making waves in the first part of the 4th century as well. A civil war had broken out between the backers of Constantine and Maxentius. Constantine became the victor after converting to Christianity, with the Rho and Chi appearing in a dream before the great battle against Maxentius. This civil war started in 306 and ended in 324 AD. Prior to Constantine's reign in Rome, Christians were a persecuted bunch, after the Edict of Toleration and the call for the Council of Nicaea, Christianity began to be embraced in the Roman Empire as well. Unfortunately, this brought heresies to the forefront, and ultimately Constantine declaring division in the church was worse than war. End quote. While yes, the Council of Nicaea brought clarity to the nature of Jesus and the Trinity, more councils were coming, such as the councils of Constantinople, Ephesus, and Chalcedon, long after Constantine and King Trdat were dead. I leave you, the viewer, with this. What have we learned, if anything, from the division in the church on the nature of God? Thank you for your support, and a special thanks to God through Jesus Christ, my Savior, my lovely wife, Dorothy, and countless friends and family for all of the support they have provided with 90 and Out. Also, shout out to Dr. Harper, Tim Harper, Professor of History of the Christian Church at Spirit and Life Seminary, and Bruce Shelley for his Church History in Plain Language.